Hi guys, RD here from ProTraders Network, and we are taking a look at the Bitcoin USD weekly chart basically, and we are seeing basically Bitcoin going up and up and up at this moment, and having actually just breached its all-time high at around this particular level here. We are seeing that Bitcoin is trying to actually move further up, right guys? So where is it going to from here, and what are the key levels that we should actually take note as we look at Bitcoin USD? Right, so I would like to start basically with the slanting lines that I have actually drawn here, here and here. So basically there are three slanting lines right now, and we can see that price of Bitcoin in June was supported at around this level, around the $29,000, $30,000 mark, right, after which we actually moved up from there, and right now I believe that we might actually reach this level around the $70,000 mark, right, if the momentum continues to the upside. Right, on the fundamental front, basically we have Bitcoin ETF just haven't been launched, and this is one of the reasons that could actually be giving us this momentum in Bitcoin at this moment. All right guys, so if you can actually just take note of this particular pattern, right, we have an up move and then a down move here, which actually was supported around the $40,000 mark before an up move from here and moving forward, right? So this is part of the third move out of a 5-wave move possibly, right, for Bitcoin USD. So guys, if this is the next resistance and if it's broken, where can actually we expect Bitcoin to actually move from there? And we can actually do some extrapolation basically from here. I did actually this extrapolation before Bitcoin actually makes its move higher, and basically this particular point here around the $63,000 mark has been reached, and we can actually do another extrapolation from the bottom here and moving to the top, and this is of course a bigger move. If this pans out, right, we might see Bitcoin price basically going towards the 89,000 mark, $90,000 mark, right? So this would require a couple of weeks moving forward and some retracements here and there, and most importantly guys, we need to see price of Bitcoin being supported by the 9 exponential moving average, which is depicted here as this blue line, right? So you can see that this blue line here provided proved as dynamic support from March last year all the way till April this year. So every time when actually price move lower, retrace lower, we could see that it is being supported, right, by the 9 exponential moving average. And in here basically we saw that it breached and went lower, the 9 exponential moving average, and you saw that yes, it did bounce up, but it created a lower high and moved down lower, right? So guys, it is very important to see that we see price of Bitcoin staying above the 9 exponential moving average, which acts as the dynamic support moving forward, right? So at this point we are seeing that the price momentum is still to the upside, and we are looking basically at the $70,000 mark being the next target. And if it goes further up, right, if it goes further up, first of all, it might meet some resistance here, it might roll over to the downside from here, and if let's say it does, first support would of course be the last all-time high at around the $65,000 mark, and the next support will be around the 60,000, right? Of course we have the next resistance and support level here at around the $51,000 mark, and further down the slanting line resistance at around 45,000, and of course our major support level here at around the $30,000 mark. Right. However guys, we are not in this it's not rolling over yet, it is still moving to the upside, and most people would agree that in October to November basically is good months for crypto, and we are seeing this at this moment panning out, right? So thank you guys, thank you so much for joining me in this particular video, and thank you so much. If you actually like our videos, you can click the like button and subscribe to our channel, and all this is basically sharing of my experiences. It's not financial advice, and please actually do your own research before you invest or you trade. Right guys, all the best to your trading and investing. Thank you so much. RD signing out.